Hello everybody, welcome to my creative time with Emma, and also welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use our brand new triangle treat die. So my vision for this die to come out with it for Halloween was to kind of make it into like a witch hat. You could make it into a Christmas tree. You can make it into like a little pie slice or a cake slice. You probably more a cake slice. You could turn it into a little party hat. You could basically just decorate it for any occasion. That's why I love this, because obviously it's not only for Halloween. You can use it for any holiday, any occasion whatsoever, okay? So I wanted to show you there is like a base piece, and there also are, there's 5 layers for it to go ahead and decorate it. And then this will fit on our bigger paper pads, which is the 6 by paper pad. The 6 by, this is 6 by 8.5. Okay, it will fit on there, and it will fit on your little cutting pad as well, which is this right here. So you could cut it out like you could just cut the whole thing out in a pattern paper, or you could cut it out. You could cut it out in the solid piece, and you could go ahead and just use the layers to decorate it. So that's what I did here today. So let me go ahead and put this aside here. I did cut it in a solid color piece, and we're just gonna go ahead and just decorate it with all of the layers here, okay? So let me go ahead and just, so basically when you cut it out, you will see all of the little, what do you call these? All these little score lines here. So we're just gonna go ahead and just fold these on the little score lines. And this is a thick cardstock I'm using. I believe it's, of course, paper tray ink. I don't think I ever use any other. I do have some Stampin' Up as well, but paper tray ink is my favorite. Okay, so that's why it's definitely on the hint thicker side, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and just do all of this on all the creases, okay? I have another bone folder, and I don't know where it is. Probably on my desk somewhere. But anyway, so here we go. We're just going to go ahead and just fold all of these down like so. And we'll just do that right here. And then the last little one right here. Okay, super easy to put together. I am going to go ahead and just use some tape just because of the video. I don't want it to take forever. So what I want to do is I want to use some little, we're going to try using some red tape today. I was going to use my little tape gun, but I'm running low on that. So I had recently, well, not that recently, but last time when I went to Hobby Lobby, I picked up some this little double-sided extra strength tape. So let's see if this works. But usually for all of my boxes, I always use liquid adhesive, because you can't go wrong with that. I've had projects that I've used liquid adhesive for, like stand up to, I mean, I have one sitting on my desk that I use liquid adhesive for when I very first started using my dies. That's how long the liquid adhesive will stay for. And that's been, what, 14 years now? So there goes the first one, which we will go ahead. So when you put this together, you want to tuck that in, okay? So tuck that in, and let's go ahead and take this apart here. So tuck that piece in. And then you're going to go ahead and just connect this like so. Okay. Okay, so you kind of want to just take your bone folder and just kind of like, you know, just go like this to hold it in. But actually, when I use that tape, that actually stuck pretty quickly. And then all you do is just go ahead. Now, I'm thinking I probably should have put these on before I closed it up. But you know what? I think we could just do it with, you know, without it. So we could just do it now. So let's go ahead. Now there is one that's a hint smaller. The one that's a hint smaller will go on this side here, the one that we glued down. Okay, so this one I will, let's see. I am going, like, you know what, I'm going to use my glue runner because I'll just put one line through each one of them. I think we'll be okay. I'm pretty sure I have a refill somewhere in my drawer. So let's go ahead and just do this like so. Kind of center that the best we can. Okay, there goes one side, and then this side here. And then we actually also have one for the bottom portion of this. Just like so. And then here, let me see, I think they're the same. Yeah, these are the same. Okay, so let's go ahead and just get this on here like so on the front. And then as soon as you put it all on, you could go ahead and decorate it to your heart's content. However you like it, you could decorate it. And again, you could use different, you can make this into any occasion, which I love. You could decorate it for any occasion, I should say. See, isn't that super cute? Then you could just put your little candy in there. And if you want to make sure this doesn't open, you could put a glue dot on there, like a little removable glue dot. So I just want to show you one using the full pattern paper right here. And then with the layer, what I did was I went ahead and I used one of the layers to go ahead just to put a message on the back. You know what I'm saying? And that's super cute. So that's just showing you how one is fully decorated and using one piece of pattern paper without the layers. And this is one using a, you know, a solid piece of cardstock with the layers. Okay. So that is it, my friends. Super, super simple to put together. Many different ideas you could do with this. And I absolutely love it. Okay, everyone. So thank you so much for tuning in. And again, like always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me over an email at info@my-creative-time.com. Have a fabulous day, everybody, and thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.